My name is Paul Teodo, and I am so excited to bring you this myofascial yin-yang series. This is 7 classes to be practiced over the course of 28 days, 4 yang classes, 3 yin classes. The yang classes are very strong and build a lot of heat. The yin classes are the exact opposite. We focus on myofascial release, which is using foam rollers and using balls for deep tissue massage. Enjoy this course. It comes straight from my heart. And in the yin classes, I have a nice special surprise for you. There's a guitar meditation at the end of every class, so don't you go skipping savasana. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Namaste.